In this video, I will show you how to make homemade jam. I am using a peaches to make a peach jam, but you can use mango and any other fruit. For that, I am taking 6 big peaches. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my videos. To start with, first we need to peel all the peaches. Now we need to cut the peaches and remove the seeds. Now all the peaches are cut. Now we need to grind them in the food processor. I'm grinding one lot in a smooth paste and another lot with little chunks of the peaches in it. I like little peaches pieces in the jam. It's up to you that you want to make a smooth paste of the peaches or you would like to have a little chunks in it as well. So this is one lot with the little chunks and another is a paste. Now we need to measure the peach, how much we get, and then we need to add the sugar accordingly. So I'm adding this peach in a measuring cup, and this is a 3 cup of peach puree we got. Now take a pan on the medium heat. We need to cook this puree. Once we add the puree into the pan, now we need to measure the sugar. We are going to take the same amount of sugar as the peach puree. My peaches are not so sweet, but if you have a very sweet fruit, you can reduce the sugar amount accordingly. Mix the sugar well with the puree. Now we are going to cook on the medium-high flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Now sugar melted and now the mix of the peach puree and the sugar look like this. Now we are going to cook this with the constant stirring for 15 to 20 minutes. We will also prepare a lemon juice to add into the jam. It will protect sugar to be crystallized. So this is very important that we need to add at least 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in 3 cups of puree when we are making a jam with the 3 cups of fruit puree. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, stir well, and while you are cooking you will find that there is some froth built up on the top. We will remove the froth. So this much of froth we remove from the jam. Now with the continuous stirring, we need to ensure that we reach to the right consistency. Once we reach this stage, it's thick enough and it means our jam is ready. So we are going to put the hot jam into the sterilized jars. Then if you place the lid of these jars with the hot jam, it will create the vacuum, and then until the vacuum is released, you can keep this jam for a year. The jam turns out very good, and it's going to be a very good in taste because you made it at home with the freshly peaches with no preservatives. And I'm showing you on while spreading on the bread how the jam is so smooth to spread on the bread, and it turned out very good. Try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section how you like this jam recipe. And this jam is with a natural color. I didn't add any preservative or color. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my upcoming videos.